Doc, sabi ni Senator Gordon, at the rate we're going with the vaccine rollout, 2027 pa raw tayo malamang maka-reach ng herd immunity. I mean, just granting na mangyari yun. I mean, how bad can it get for us? And I'm not even talking about economically because I hope that doesn't happen, no? But just health-wise.
Lucy, no? I'm hopeful na maraming bakunang darating, no? Because there are around 240 vaccines that are in several phases of clinical development, no? And I hope that one in this year or early next year, natatapos na yung mga phase 3 nila. Hindi lang sa ngayon kasi konti pa lang tong nakikita natin, no? But a lot of this mga vaccine development, ang dami nila. So hopefully all of this or maski kalahati sa 240, marami tayong mapipilian. I think I'm hopeful na we can still get that herd immunity. Not naman 2027, baka wala na tayo dito lahat. No? So hopefully within the next 2 to 3 years, I'm good with it. No? So hopefully.
Tagal, 2 to 3 years.
Cure. Hindi vaccine. Cure.
Yeah, meron na raw.
Pinetesting.
Yeah, there are a lot of drugs. There are a lot of medications now, no? In fact, there are those pharma companies who are into the clinical trial of this treatment, no? Drugs for treatment. And I think it's a welcome opportunity also to join these mga clinical trials in our country para lang at least when these drugs are really proven to be good sa mga pasyente, then it can really help us also in terms of managing the patients.
Doc, iangkas ko na rin dyan, ha? We're expecting a lot of vaccines from India. And India now, as obviously, not only has its own crisis, but they're having to deal with their own production line that goes all the way back to an embargo in the United States. Pagka ang India ay naipit dyan, along with what Lucy is asking about Gamaleya, what is this doing to our timelines for vaccines?
Yeah, that's the very delicate scenario, no? Because we know that one of the reasons why some of these surges now are happening in some countries because of the low vaccine coverage. We already have good examples of countries where vaccination is high and there is really what we call significant impact in terms of the number of cases and the number of deaths. Israel, no, and some part of Europe, no. Malaking challenge sa atin yan. Napaka-malaking problema, and we are not the only country that has that kind of problem because vaccine is really scarce and limited production, especially for countries na natamaan ng COVID, which is like India, no? Talagang uuunahin nila yung bansa nila. And hindi lang bakuna ang affected dyan. There are also drugs that we're using na galing ng India, yung Remdesivir na yung supply nila, hindi mo na sila magbigay sa ibang bansa. So, isa yan sa mga implikasyon.
Okay. Doc, yung mga nag-aantay ng second dose in all of this, kamusta? We're not talking about India and Gamaleya, but at least dun sa second dose, yan yung parating tanong. Kasi sinabi, sige, i-first dose na natin lahat. At wag na tayo are we still confident in that scenario?
Well, as what the WHO has promised to us, no, through the COVAX facility, that they will provide the AstraZeneca vaccine anytime within this month or first week of May. We're banking on those what we call announcement.